Welcome back to Meghan and Harry Tales. Today we're diving into one of the most groundbreaking legal battles of our time. In the heart of London, a legal battle of extraordinary proportions is unfolding. Prince Harry, the Duke of Sussex, has taken on news group newspapers. The case centres around the alleged unlawful gathering of information about Harry's life. It delves into the shadowy world of tabloid journalism. This case has sent shockwaves through the British establishment. The lawsuit shines a light on the contentious relationship between the press and public figures. It raises profound questions about privacy and ethics. Harry's decision to sue NGN is a bold one. He seeks accountability for the alleged wrongs he has endured. The outcome of this case could have far-reaching consequences. This case has captivated the public imagination. The world watches as a prince seeks justice in an open court. The stakes are high. At the core of Prince Harry's lawsuit are allegations of unlawful information gathering. This includes phone hacking. This practice, widely condemned as a gross invasion of privacy, involves illegally accessing voicemail messages. It is a brazen attempt to uncover private information. Harry alleges that NGN engaged in these activities on a grand scale. They targeted him and those close to him. The extent of NGN's alleged wrongdoing is staggering. They are accused of employing private investigators. These investigators used illicit means to obtain phone records, addresses and other personal details. The lawsuit paints a picture of a media organisation obsessed with digging up dirt. They were willing to cross legal and ethical lines to get it. This disregard for privacy is deeply troubling. It lies at the heart of Harry's case. The use of such tactics raises serious questions about press freedom. It undermines the trust that is essential to a functioning democracy. The public relies on journalists to provide accurate and unbiased information. When powerful media organizations resort to illegal methods, it erodes that trust. It casts a long shadow over the entire industry. Adding to the complexity of the case is the allegation of a secret deal. This deal supposedly existed between Buckingham Palace and NGN. The suggestion is that the royal family struck a deal to protect themselves. In exchange, they would refrain from pursuing legal action against NGN. This raises concerns about a potential cover-up. It suggests that powerful institutions may have colluded to suppress the truth. The alleged deal, if true, would represent a shocking abuse of power. It would suggest that the royal family was willing to prioritize their own reputation over the pursuit of justice for Harry. The implications of such an agreement are far-reaching. They strike at the heart of the British justice system. It raises questions about fairness and accountability at the highest levels. Prince Harry's willingness to challenge this alleged deal is a testament to his determination. He's standing up not just for himself, but for the principle that everyone, regardless of their status, deserves equal protection under the law. This case is a test of the British legal system. Will it hold powerful institutions accountable, or will it allow them to operate above the law? Prince Harry's case is built on a foundation of compelling evidence. This includes witness testimonies. There are also financial records and internal NGN documents. These documents allegedly reveal the inner workings of the organization's news-gathering operations. The evidence paints a damning picture of NGN's conduct. It suggests a pattern of systematic wrongdoing. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence is the sheer volume of articles published about Harry. These articles contained private information that could not have been obtained through legal means. This suggests a coordinated effort to target him. It points towards a disregard for his privacy. The evidence presented in court paints a disturbing picture of tabloid journalism at its worst. The evidence presented thus far has already had a significant impact. It has led to public apologies from NGN. It has resulted in substantial settlements paid to other high-profile victims of phone hacking. However, Harry's case goes beyond seeking financial compensation. He is determined to expose the truth about NGN's practices. He wants to hold them accountable for the damage they have caused. Section 5. Beyond monetary gain, a fight for principles. Prince Harry's decision to sue NGN is about more than just money. It is a moral crusade. He aims to expose the unethical practices of the tabloid press. He wants to protect others from harassment. This case is about standing up for what is right. It is about demanding accountability from those in power. Harry has spoken about the impact of media intrusion on his life. This case is his way of taking a stand. It is a way to reclaim his privacy and his voice. This case is a reminder that even the famous are entitled to privacy. It raises questions about the balance between press freedom and privacy. Section 6. The Crucible of Cross-Examination. The courtroom has become a battleground of arguments and accusations. Prince Harry himself faced intense cross-examination. NGN's lawyers attempted to undermine his credibility. They suggested that he was exaggerating the extent of the wrongdoing. They questioned his motives for bringing the lawsuit. However, Harry remained resolute. NGN's defense strategy has focused on downplaying the significance of the alleged hacking. They have argued that it was limited in scope. They have said it was carried out by rogue reporters. They maintain that the newspaper's senior management was unaware of the illegal activities. This defense has been met with skepticism by many. The cross-examination of Prince Harry was a pivotal moment in the trial. It was an opportunity for NGN to challenge his allegations directly. However, Harry stood firm in his accusations. He provided detailed accounts of the incidents that formed the basis of his claim. The cross-examination, rather than weakening his case, may have strengthened it. It showcased his determination to see justice served. Section 7. The Spectre of Lost Evidence. One of the most concerning aspects of the case is the potential destruction of evidence by NGN. Harry's legal team alleges that thousands of emails and other documents relevant to the case have been deleted. This raises serious questions about NGN's willingness to engage in a fair and transparent legal process. The missing evidence could hold crucial information about the extent of NGN's wrongdoing. It could shed light on who was involved and what they knew. The deletion of such evidence raises the possibility of a cover-up. It casts a dark cloud over the entire proceedings. It makes it more difficult to determine the truth. The judge in the case will have to weigh the evidence carefully. They must consider the implications of the missing documents. The potential destruction of evidence strikes at the heart of the judicial process. It undermines the pursuit of justice. It raises concerns about the fairness of the trial. Section 8. Ripples of Truth Implications for a Free Press. Prince Harry's legal battle against NGN is a landmark case. It has far-reaching implications for privacy, justice, and media accountability. The outcome will likely set a precedent for future media misconduct cases. It could reshape the relationship between the press and public figures. The case highlights the importance of a free and independent press. It also emphasizes the need for ethical journalism. Journalists must report news accurately and fairly. They must respect individuals' privacy. Crossing these lines undermines public trust in the media. It can have a corrosive effect on democracy itself. This case is a reminder that no one, not even powerful media organizations, is above the law. It is a testament to the courage of individuals like Prince Harry. The pursuit of truth and justice is paramount. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into Prince Harry's fight for justice. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Meghan and Harry Tales for updates on this trial and more stories about the Sussexes. Together, we'll keep shining a light on the truth.